Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel for Linux. So in this video, guys, we're going to show you how to turn a trinocular microscope into trinoculars, three oculars, three eyepiece inputs into a double binocular microscope. Okay, so we're going to use this microscope over here. It is an scope microscope, as you can see, and its model is T120, okay, 120. As you can see, there's a binocular over here, and the third input for eyepiece is here. So I just remove this, for example, if you want to see from the top, and just install the eyepiece like this, okay? And of course, I have other eyepieces here, but just for the sake of the demonstration, I'm just telling you that you can install here another eyepiece. So the way to convert it or to update it or to upgrade, not update, upgrade it to a double binocular, two binoculars like this. You'll have two, or there's one that's gonna be installed over here, which is by using telescope accessories. Okay, so you will see with me step by step how it's done. First, we have to remove this part. You will be left with here a screw over here, okay, which is a C-mount screw, okay. You will have to get a ring. This is a very special ring, okay. You have, if you want to find it easily, you have to get it from Agena Astro. From inside, it is a C-mount. From outside, it is the filter size, the color filter sizes of the 1.25 inch eyepieces. Okay, so we start like here. And this is a very special one because it's worth like $40 if you were outside the USA. Okay, this is the cheapest way to get it. And here you used to get this prism. That if you want, you can get the 90-degree prism like this one. This is a 45 IO that I have. You can use this, but this will make it go like, you can see, like it will be like this. So your binocular will go like this, which is very hard to be used. Okay, so that's why I prefer that you use this, and this will completely erect the image. Okay, and like even with the direction of the writing. So we install it like this. Don't take it to the very end because those don't, some of them don't have a limit. Okay, some kind of an edge that will, I don't mean like an edge like a razor, there's some kind of tip that will prevent this tube over here, okay, to go like the very end where you cannot remove it and remove the ring too, okay, that we installed here. Okay, so the ring is also called like M25 to M28 because the C mount, the screen mount screw is 25 millimeters. Okay, and from outside it is the ring. I mean, it's M28, which is 28 millimeters. Okay, so not like this. Okay, then you will have to get this binocular, which comes with two types of barrel lenses. Barrels are very important in this case because the distance from here from the RMS eyepiece, RMS lenses, to here is too far. So the focusing, like it will not as speedy as the one that's going to come from here. And what you will always need is not always, I mean, that you will need is eyepieces that will help you, okay, and to make the same focus that comes in here is the same one that goes in here. Okay, so you don't like, if you want to share this microscope with two people, with two persons, okay, you can do that without like each one fighting. It's my focus, it's my focus, okay? My turn focusing, your turn focusing, okay? So it just we have to try to find the matching or the suitable eyepieces for that should go here and the ones that should go here in order to give you the same focus when you move the dial over here, okay? So this comes here with two bar lenses, okay? This one is like 1.85x, okay, you can read it here. And there is another one that is 3 times, okay? 3x. So we install it like this. And there's a screw that holds anything that goes into the prism. Okay, it belongs to the prism. Okay, not the binocular. Okay, this binocular has a good thing is that you can fix the stereo view, like if like the image of this one. Okay, must merge with this one, so you can use those dials in order to change the stereo to merge both images that come from here and here. Okay, now yeah, so first of all I must get my huge case of or just box of eyepieces. Okay, so we start finding the combination. Okay, and this is what I'm gonna do in this combination for focusing, you know, and that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so this one I just want to show you that it will focus, okay, using this 40 millimeters eyepiece, okay, of a telescope, because what you're going to use is telescope eyepieces. Okay, you don't have to buy like adapters and things like that. Okay, just like use your own telescope eyepieces if you have, or if you already have them, and if you don't, just buy it as I tell you, like I tell you. Okay, so here it has like there's a dial over here and there's a dial over here. Okay, one here. I'm zooming in. So there's a dial over here at the top. There's another one over here. Okay, this one for the stereo, the one with the dots here. You can see a little dot here. Okay, this is for the stereo and measuring the images, okay, of both eyes. But this is for screwing and fastening the eyepiece in its place so it doesn't get up. Okay, so gonna search for the focus. What I'm gonna use is this. Okay, this is a phone holder. Okay, or maybe use another phone holder. There's one that's good here. Okay, I prefer to use this one. This is better because this is good for adjusting the position of the phone. Okay, so I'm gonna use it. I'm going to use the phone that I'm, you know, putting my hands in front of it. Okay, the same one that I use to take this video and record this video. Okay. Okay. This way is better because I don't need to, like for example, let me first something. This is very important here. Okay, this is too tiny. So here you need some kind of adapter here, just some kind of a tube. Okay, to make this like have a grip on it. Okay, hold it very well. Yeah. Now the here doesn't. It doesn't mean anything. Okay. Okay. Very fine, like this. Okay. What I'm thinking of is just add another eyepiece from here, so I can make it like portrait landscape like this. Okay, maybe. Or no. We can do something else here, like uninstall the eyepiece. Okay. We can install it like this. Okay, this will make it a little bit more portrait, more landscape view. Okay. Okay, anyway, it's good like this. So let's take the camera. No, I think I should use the other side. Okay, just the side of the lens of the camera. I don't want to make it like have it go upside down. Okay, like this. Okay, upside down. Okay. Let's see that's the way like this is. And this way. Cool. So, and by the way, this bends. Okay, so you can like make it like this. Make it like this. Okay, I'll show you like. So this can bend. Okay. Just to like get to be adjusted to the spacing between your eyes, okay, and according to your own spacing of your eyes, okay. Let's take the camera. Okay. And don't forget to install the yeah. Okay, now it's just showing below the. Okay, this is me. Okay. So we have to find the location of the lens. Yep, that's it. Now, what we need to do is zoom into the view. Okay, so you can see it in total. You can see the reddish color. Okay, so this is the adrenal gland, like on the first view before focusing. Okay, go to focus. Searching for the focus. Yeah, now it's started to appear. Okay. Yep. What we need more is just to move the phone a little bit backwards. Okay, or go forward, I mean, and like this, so to cover the whole view. Okay. And that's it. So this is the adrenal gland, but it's a little bit vague, hazy, vague, you know, just like not that clear. But this is what happens. Okay, if you use the original Bino, it will appear. I'll try to focus it much more better. This is the maximum I can go. Okay, let's see if I just use the autofocus from before. Yeah, this is the maximum I can go. Yeah, and I'm using the 4 times yeah, the 4 times. Okay, from the RMS side. Okay, let's see what will happen if I use the 10 times. And of course, we need to refocus. Yeah, it's already not as clear, even though I'm using a lower resolution on recording, but still it's not as clear. Okay, you know what I mean? Okay, it's not as clear. Okay, so this is what happens when you use another bino viewer. Okay, for a telescope using this setup that I've done. Okay. What I'm thinking now is just to switch to another kind of eyepieces. Okay, maybe the 20 millimeters. Okay, instead of the 40 millimeters that I'm using here. Take a picture. Okay, so yeah, so let me take the phone out, zoom out. But this is very important to zoom out because we want to see the whole view. Okay, like we started. And you have to uninstall this phone holder. This is called NexYZ. Okay, called NexYZ. Okay, I will have to go to my channel. Just box. Okay. Let's see here. So this is a 25 millimeters eyepiece. Okay, and those are 20. Okay, certain of them. Okay, so it's funny. I'm gonna show you them later. Okay. So yeah, instead of the 40 millimeters, I'm gonna use the 25 and 20, maybe the 4 millimeters. Let's see what will happen with each. Okay, let me get the 4 millimeters too. Okay, from the okay, so this is a 4 millimeters from the box that you saw earlier. Okay. So we're gonna test each, okay? Each one of them. I have to repack the lenses, okay? Yeah, not this one. Is it? So here and this one here. This is the cover. Okay, there's also the cover for this side. Okay, yeah, it's in the box. And always keep your lenses covered because of the dust. Okay. And TD, and even make a box like mine. Okay, collect all the eyepieces that you can, but not every eyepiece out there. Just get them with with the millimeters, like all the set of millimeters that you can find, okay? Now we tested the 40 millimeters. Now let's go with the 25 millimeters and see what will happen. Okay. Now 25 millimeters is usually half the power of a telescope, of any telescope. Okay, it's just half the power of any telescope. Okay. 25 and 20. 20 is half, is almost half. Okay. That's the reason behind that is that 40 millimeters eyepiece is the maximum that they used on the telescope. Otherwise, it will be considered like if it's longer than that, it will be considered like a telescope lens. Okay, this got ripped off. Okay. Yes. Anyway, so here and yeah. This. Now as this. It's okay if I put it like this now. What did I do it? Oh, okay. Yeah, like this. And it's okay. I'm gonna put it like portrait, but it is okay. That's the best I can do. Okay. Okay. See now. Okay, good. And what now? We need to. I wanna make it on a 4 times on the RMS. Okay. And it's not as clear. Okay. Maybe I have something with my optics. I'm not sure. Okay, but if we zoom in to the maximum using the phone, let's do an autofocus. No, it's not working. Okay. Still. No, no, no. Okay, it's not as clear. Okay. I lowered the. Maybe I have to play with the lights. Anyway, no. It's not clear even. Okay. Okay, this is the maximum it can go. Okay. But using the eyes, it's clear. You can see things. Okay, this is because I'm lowering my resolution, but still. Okay, even though. Okay, let me try fix the resolution and the quality. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in again to maximum. This is maximum quality. Okay. Let me zoom out. No, not an important thing. Still here, let me go to the 10 times maybe from the bottom, from the RMS. Okay. There's somewhere where you can see some, I don't know, somewhere, some dirt, I don't know from where. Okay. Okay. So it's not as beautiful as when you look into the default binocular. Okay. You can see some kind of concavity somewhere in the view. Okay. There are some places which are like much more extended than others. Okay, and in the middle you can see it's not really well clear cut. Okay, being cut even. Okay, now let's take the uh, the 20 millimeters now. This is the 20 millimeters. Okay. From Celestron. Okay. Okay. Then get the holder, one holder. No, it's better be set. It's better be set as portrait. Okay. Then, so this is our microscope. I'm gonna take the phone again. Okay, let's find the okay, cool. So okay, great. Now, what we need to do is no, this is too much. This is it. Here, and we have to go either left or right, somewhere like this. Okay. Okay. Anyway, that's good. That's enough for us. It's okay. We're okay with this. This is 20 millimeters. Okay. Let's focus from the phone itself. Okay. Let's focus from the microscope. This is on 4x RMS. Okay. So this is how much I can get, okay, with this. So yeah. It's not that clear. It's not as clear as when you put and use the default binoculars. Okay, although okay, although I can use the binoculars, okay, like directly vertically, and not with an inclination, okay, without the need of that prism, okay, and I think it will be better because the prism maybe it's like a block in the way, okay, somewhere. Like it's more, I think it looks like color, another color filter. You know what I mean? Okay, it's just something in the way. Okay, that's that blocks the light path. Okay, and some sort. Okay, or because it or distorts it. Okay. So yeah. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like our channel. Okay, this has been a very thorough test of this double binocular, the way I installed it. Okay, maybe we're going to install it without the prism. Okay, let's see what will happen next. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.